1994, Utah, would like to leave you with a final farewell.
Millie, come up here.
No, you don't fall. Step up. Check it.
What, you gotta walk out there? Aren't you a second yellow?
Mommy!
First, y'all.
Where is it? Okay, stand in front of the fireplace then.
Yes, fix his pants in the boot.
Oh, all right.
I'll fix it. Fix your pants in the boot. Hold your gun, that's the right way to hold your gun.
Now look like Lord Cornwallis would look in front of his house. He's going potty on my flowers. Are you holding the gun right? Let me get a close-up of your gun. Hold that real pretty piece. Not that way, sideways. Where Daddy made it real pretty. Eddie, please hold it right. That's it. How should he hold the gun?
Not by the tree. That's good enough. Yeah, just like that, Ed. Cats and
Also, he was going to the bathroom while he was videotaping.
yeah. That's it.
We'll get a picture of Margaret Less's house while we're here. Oh yeah, good, because I didn't get one. Before and after.
Before and after.
Yeah.
I forgot.
I gave the place.
There it is.
Very nice,
Feeling
very
like Halloween,
nice.
but
Oh, and look, gee, she did such a good job on that.
It came out pretty good.
Good job.
yeah.
Two more short pants and none of them shit.
Since none of you confessed to going above ground on Halloween,
No, take a picture! Please, no pictures! I saw how Evan taped it, Eddie.
I'll show you how we're gonna dig
Don't be such a squirrel.
Okay, go ahead.
What?
Shoot the cars. I think they're tired out.
Why? Where are we going?
Well, we have to go somewhere. You open this, read your card.
I got birthday card from Aunt Cecil. Who's Rebecca Hall?
Anthony.
Yeah, look at that. What's on the front?
Read it.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Love from
No,
Mommy
read the
and
front.
Read the front first.
Well, here it is, straight from the horse's mouth. Happy birthday.
How do you like that one? Let's see, open this bottom one first.
This is you, I know it.
This is Daddy's department you're in now. You're in trouble.
What's this? A hunting belt and a
Yeah.
ducking knife.
I got a knife. Look at the knife. I got your knife. That's for your parties. You can wear it. You like it?
Where'd you get it?
Oh, no.
That's a special one.
You're not going to believe it. Battery's dying.
Uh-huh.
Put your coat on.
A horse.
Put your coat on.
Where is
Not
the
just
horse?
get your coat on.
Get your coat on. Let's go out.
We gotta go outside now.
Let's
Nobody.
go out.
Let's get your coat
I
on.
knew it.
And I hope you be real careful because he's afraid. Here.
Don't open them yet. Don't open them yet.
No,
Get your
look,
coat
yeah.
on.
I got the rope, so we'll need this.
Where is
He's really scared. Come on. Get the snacks because I want you to make friends with him. Are you going to be all right with him? You're not afraid, are you? I have to open up the door. Okay?
Let me see what you got in your hand.
apple treats?
I got some extra feed here, but maybe make him feel good, all right?
Oh, great.
Come on up here with me because I'm free. Come on.
Victor.
You probably fell asleep now. You going to be all right? Come on, get up.
Go on, get up there, Ed.
All right, be careful.
Be careful.
You ready? Go in first. Get the snacks. All right, now go in.
Dad? Where'd you get this?
What is it, Ed?
Go-kart.
That's 5-horse.
That's a 5-horse.
I see.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do.
Better than the horse? He really thought he had a horse.
I think he thought it was good.
A little tight, but I'll put it on.
You got a bigger head than Mom.
Be careful, Ed.
This is the dance. You don't go till you hit it. That stops you. It goes real fast. You must be careful. That
Okay.
makes you go, try to brake first.
Start out
Now
slow.
stop. Got it? Just start out easy. All right. Your hand on it.
He's driving with his foot on the brake. Do you know that?
House and garden.
Clothes.
It's not close.
I never get you clothes.
It's Maximum Carnage, the red cartridge.
Oh.
You can't trick me.
Oh,
We gotta watch. Well, I don't have my outfit on yet.
all right.
Yeah, you did. Uncle Wayne.
Oh, we're cutting grass.
That's his new knife. Show the
Just pick the knife up, show it to the camera.
You see it? That's his knife. He's not a protester. I'm gonna do this for you when you move out west. I'm gonna cook for you, just like
Where's
this.
Coming
Hey,
right out.
Need him.
He'll be out it. You guys
Right
gotta
out
come
that
over
second.
here for a picture, okay?
Okay, hurry up. Everybody watch that door there.
Watch that door.
Okay.
Grand entrance.
Take a picture of hot dogs there, right?
You get a good picture of this cooking? Then this is how she's cooking out west when she moves.
Bro, she said to walk.
What's that doing with coffee? I got coffee out here for him.
He said he didn't want a chance drinking that.
Go park it. You know what park means? P-A-R-K.
I mean,
He messes up. There's more there, Chris. You want more? Another hot dog?
okay. You gotta see where this is from. God bless you.
Ken, do it again.
Put your hat on.
I got my hat on. Here, take that.
Here's Ken going west. Go with him, Wayne.
Stay out that way.
Go with him. He's on his way.
Whoa, whoa. Good horse, good horse. Yeah, yeah. Your turn, Wayne.
No, any way I'd do it is I'd be on the horse the wrong way. Noreen, I'd be this way.
Yeah, here he is.
I'd be at the back end. Where's his head?